The Knee Walker Basket Kit by TKWC Inc. is a must-have accessory for any knee scooter. Holding up to 11 pounds, this universal basket kit fits most standard knee walker models. Setup is simple. The kit comes with one wire mesh basket, a 2-piece bracket for assembly, 2 screws, and an Allen wrench is included for tightening. Simply line up the 2 brackets on the steering column. Hand tighten the screws at first, and then finish tightening with the provided Allen wrench. Once the screws are tightened, simply attach the basket. There are 2 slits the basket slides into. You can see them here. Work folders, notebooks, drinks, cell phone, you name it, and the Knee Walker Basket Kit can easily make your day much easier. Try doing that on crutches. The Knee Walker Basket Kit by TKWC Inc., helping you with a happier, healthier recovery.